Imagination is the key, and with Flexo you will see a Flexillion possibilities.
Incredible.
Great to see you again, Flexo fam. This week we're building our slithery snake. This week's build was based off the green grass snake. The snake is a lot of fun to play with and super bendy. These are the parts that you'll need to build your snake. Here are the colours we've used to build our green grass snake, but you can make your snake any colour you like. Alright Flexo fam, now that we have all our parts, let's get making. We're going to start our build by connecting a triangle and a square. We'll be using a T3 tendon to do this. Remember to check the circle in the top right hand corner. It's going to let you know what length tendon we're using as we build along together. Once we have our first two pieces together, it's time to connect all the circles. This is going to create the body of our snake. We're using tan for the first layer of our snake. It's going to give the underbelly a nice light colour and good contrast to the green for the top of the snake. We're going to continue connecting the circles together. This might be a little repetitive, but you can choose how long you want your snake to be based on how many circles you put in the middle. We've used 20 for this build. Here you can see I'm using a hard flat surface in the tool to push my tendons into the brick. This is what the string of circles will start to look like. As you can see, it's already very bendy. Alright, final pieces, and we finish off with a triangle to create the snake's tail. For the second layer we'll be using green. That's going to give the snake's body most of its colour. To start with the second layer we don't use a triangle brick, instead we're connecting squares and circles. We're going to use another 20 circles for the second layer, and finish by connecting a triangle for the snake's tail. For the final piece of the second layer, we're going to take a red tendon and place it into the square. This is going to create the snake's slithery tongue. You can line up layer 1 and layer 2 to make sure you have the same number of circles through the middle. Then you just place layer 2 on top and clip them together. And as you can see, our snake is starting to form. Now for the third and final layer. We're going to start the same way we did the first layer, connecting a triangle and a square brick together. Then we're going to make our row of circles again. This time we're only connecting 19 circles, not 20, and we're not putting a triangle on the end either. We've done this because it's going to create more shape towards the tail end of the snake. We then connect the third layer to the rest of the snake. Now that we have the slithery snake body, it's time to give it some eyes. There's the snake. If you like that video, Flexo fam, remember to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications bell on, because every week we're going to be coming at you with a brand new video. Alright team, that's all from us this week. Remember, we want you to go out there and be creative, think differently, and most of all, have fun.